Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix the colour and turn off HDR settings on your Firestick. Now, this is quite easy to do, and the first thing you want to do from the main Amazon Firestick home screen here is go all the way to the right to the settings. Once we're in the settings, you want to come down and select Display and Audio. Once we're in Display and Audio, you want to come down and select Display. Now we want to come down and select Colour Depth. Now here you can change up to 8-bit, 10-bit and 12 bits. It tells you to the right hand side here what each one is. So once you've done that, you can come out and then come down to the very bottom to Dynamic Range Settings. And here you can choose Adaptive. Again, to the right it tells you about Adaptive, or you can disable HDR. Some Firesticks will have more options, like the 4K Max will have extra options, but that's how to fix the colour and turn off HDR settings on your Firestick. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.